Hi, in this video, I'm going to tell you about my favorite tool, which is a website. It's called YouGlish. And during my lessons, I use it to help my students grasp pronunciation and how different phrases are used in real life. I also show you how I use AI, ChatGPT in this case, to transform phrases into hyperlinked phrases that, when clicked, will take you straight to YouGlish, and you don't need to search anything. You just click and it takes you to that specific phrase so you can learn how this specific phrase is used in real life through reviewing different clips one by one. Let's dive right in. So all you need to do here is go to YouGlish and enter any phrase in the language that is available on YouGlish. In this case, I'm selecting English, but there is a bunch of other languages that you can use to browse through different videos. So now I'm going to add, I'm going to enter a keyword here. Let's say empowerment and hit enter.
I traveled to Kenya this year to learn about women's empowerment among Maasai women. There, I met a group.
Were in the three truths of self-empowerment that set me on a path to freedom. And I'd like to.
And here you have 5,270 examples that you can go through to grasp the different ways of how this word is used in real life English. And what is more, you can switch through different accents. So I can select only US, and I can see how US native speakers pronounce this word. I can also see how British English pronounce this word, right? And other dialects as well. Now, here's a simple tip. If you want to search phrases, you can. If you want to search by specific phrases, well, then you would want to put it into quotation marks. So I'm going to put it in quotation marks now. So let's choose a different word, and let's put let's use the phrase power up. All right, and now, as you can see here,
the electricity we use,
we've got
the
54
energy we use
examples
to
of
power
the
our
phrase
cars,
power
the
up
energy we burn in many of our homes as
presented to
heating.
us, and we can just go one by one and
from the localities,
explore the usage. And what is more, in this case, we have 54 examples of the word power up in British English, but if we hit all, then we have even more. And now here is a tip also, that every video here is a YouTube video. So if something catches your interest, you can click on it and it will take you to the video here. And if you don't have time, you can save it for some later, or you can use Mind Studio to quickly grab an agent that will summarize your video to a cheat sheet, right? And give it to you in a form of a cheat sheet. If you don't know what Mind Studio is, it's one of my other tools that I talk about on one of my videos, and you can check it out in one of the links that will show up here. Anyway, so this is pretty much most of the knowledge I wanted to share with you when it comes to YouGlish. But here is a creative hack that I use to give my students the quick opportunity to click on a phrase, and it would take them straight to the website with that specific phrase. So I built a script here in ChatGPT, and when I go and put power up, it's going to give me one thing. It's going to give me a hyperlinked phrase. And then I can paste it into chat, into Teams, into Google Doc Notes. And when my student goes through, let's say, 10 of those phrases, they will be all hyperlinked. And all they need to do, people are busy these days. Instead of going and typing that in, they just can go, click, open link, and it would just take them straight into the videos that I want them to see, or into the phrase that I want them to check out. When it comes to the script for this, I will share this specific prompt in the description of the video, and that would be pretty much it. So thank you much for watching this video. If you have any tips that you use, maybe you are also a YouGlish user, please do let me know. Maybe I can learn something from you. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more of the AI tips, teaching tips. Thanks, and see you next time.